Hello, how y'all doing today? This is Kay. Y'all happy Wednesday. Oh my goodness. Miss K been chilling, y'all been chilling, laid back. I ain't lying, I've been laid back. So Kay done whooped up her concoction. Y'all remember the cauliflower, the zucchini, the broccoli, the peppers, some rice and all that good stuff. Oh, these my kale chips. They best when they come straight out the oven, but ain't nobody gonna eat them up that fast. And I did the whole bag, so they not as crunchy. Oh, they're all right, but they get a little chewy at the end. But they season good. They call for salt, but I put pink salt, black pepper, Mrs. Bliss veggie booster. Y'all know I had to throw that. And then put some garlic on them. Oh, they good. Now they season real good. And this is Kay's creation, my concoction, with all the vegetables from yesterday. I had to break all the cauliflower up, cut everything up. The broccoli, the peppers, onions, and I added turkey sausage and cheese. So let's get our first little spoon. Okay, and we're gonna get into the daily bread. I was coming, y'all. Miss K been chilling. Ooh. Oh, and I did yellow rice. Ooh. Okay, come on. Right there. Ooh. My rice came out kind of a little mushy this time. I was rushing it. That's what you get for being greedy. Okay, that's all I need right now. Okay. I'm gonna put this in this bowl because I'm about to take somebody something in a second here. I ain't got much battery, so y'all know I better get ready. I be falling asleep with the phone, I don't know, rolling or whatever. It be stuff on there. Okay, now, let's get our grace in. Oh, man. Now, I wish I'd had some Parmesan cheese. Let me cut that light out so y'all can get a good view. I don't know why that light be so bright. So, see it? You really can't see that. Like, it's getting ready to rain. Oh, honey child. Well, let's get into it. Hope y'all been having an amazing, restful day. Miss K sure had. I was up. Then I went back to sleep. Then I got up. And then, it quieted down. Then I went on back to sleep. How do I feel today? I'm faithful. When you feel faithful, God's word for you. Peace I leave with you, my peace I give unto you, not as the world giveth, give I unto you. Let not your heart be troubled, neither let it be afraid. Okay. Oh, that's a pretty cup. You know how they be having a little Timu little things on there. This is coming out of 1 John 5:13. These things I have written unto you that believe on the name of the Son of God, that ye may know that ye have eternal life. And that ye may believe on the name of the Son of God. And this is the confidence that we have in him, that if we ask anything according to his will, he heareth us. And if we know that he hears us, whatsoever we ask, we know that we have the petitions that we desire of him. If any man see his brother sin a sin which is not unto death, he shall ask, and he shall give him life for them that sin not unto death. There is a sin unto death. I do not say that he shall pray for it. All righteousness is sin. All unrighteousness is sin. And there is a sin not unto death. Better be careful what I'm reading, honey. We know that whosoever is born of God sinneth not. But he that is begotten of God keepeth himself, and that wicked one toucheth him not. and we know that we are of God, and the whole world lieth in wickedness. And we know that the Son of God is come and have given us an understanding that we may know him that is true, and we are in him that is true, even in his Son Jesus Christ. This is the true God and eternal life. Little children, keep yourself from idols. Amen. Now, I hope y'all enjoyed the daily bread. Boy, I was about to send her somewhere. Girl, watch what you're reading. But I got it. All right, so I hope y'all enjoyed it. So now let's get the first taste. Now, this is rice, a little bit of cauliflower. Let me get a zucchini. And let me get a piece of broccoli. Got it. A pepper. Did I get any sausage? And a sausage. Ooh, look. Oh, and a onion. Ooh, that's a pepper and an onion. Get on there. And it's still hot too. Ooh, y'all ready? Get your bite. Get that sausage. Get it. Ooh. God is good. Man, this is good. You know, just cook your vegetables, cook the rice separate. Do the onions and the onions, the peppers, and the sausage together. And then just throw it in a pot and put some cheese on it. You can't lose. I got some bread and some garlic spread. I always say that, but I've been doing pretty good. I weighed today. What was that? I forgot I weighed 2. I know it was 2. Was it 275? Then now I'm 269. I don't know. I'm big. I need to lose some weight. I can't keep up. This is good. And I seasoned that. And the turkey sausage added flavor. Yes, Lord. Man, this don't make no sense. It's just like the other day, except this is rice instead of macaroni and cheese. And zucchini and cauliflower. Man. I'm going to take this last song right quick while it's hot. Y'all have a blessed and wonderful day. Know that He loves you. Know that God loves you. And He loves you more. Okay? Get off your feet. It's time to eat. Come and get it. Peace.